Welcome guys, this is optimerfx where profitable strategies are being shared. This is boom 500 index, time frame is 5 minutes time frame. I want to reveal to you a secret, a strategy you can use to trade boom 500 index profitably. Now in this particular strategy, you don't need to be afraid of any spark until you make a huge profit. Do you understand? I mean, you don't need to be afraid of any spark until you make a huge amount of profits. Pay attention, only one indicator is used in this particular strategy. Only one indicator is used. Now, there are 2 points I want to make clear in this particular strategy. One is for you to identify where the crossing occur in the part of what the indicator used, the MACD, the crossing, where the crossing occur. Secondly is for you to identify the previous lower high in the candlestick, the previous lower high. That is where your stop loss will be. That is where you need to do what? Put your stop loss. Now let me show you, let me explain to you what I mean. Now look at this, in the side of MACD, observe the movement of this arrow. You see the movement of this arrow, the MACD crosses from down upwards. Do you understand? The MACD crosses from what? From down upward. Now when this occurs, you are meant to sell. Now in this particular strategy, we are focusing only on sell signals. Do you understand? How to sell on boom 500 comfortably and make huge amount of profit without fear of sparks. That is what I want to reveal to you here in this particular strategy. Now what I want you to do, when you see this crossing, quickly identify the candlestick where the crossing occur. That is the place you need to do what? That is place you need to make your sell entry. That is particular point where you need to make your sell entry. Now your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. That is where you need to put your what? Stop loss. Now in this particular case, we have identified where the crossing occur. Look at it. This is where the crossing occur. On the side of the MACD, which is the indicator we are using here. Now look at the candlestick. Here is the candlestick where the crossing occur. That is the place I want you to make your what? Sell entry. Do you understand? I want you to make your sell entry here. Now the second thing is where to put your stop loss. Put your stop loss at the previous lower high. Do you understand? Now looking at observing this candlesticks, this is where your previous lower high is. Do you understand? So I want you to do what? To put your stop loss at this particular point. Do you understand? And when you do that, this is a huge profit for you. You don't need to be afraid. Now look at these sparks. You don't need to be afraid of them, because with this strategy I'm revealing to you, we make you massive gain. It is a strategy you will use and ride the market comfortably. Do you understand? And make your gain very, very huge. Now this is first instance. This is where the crossing occur. This is first instance. Now let's proceed. Now this is a huge gain for you. Now let's proceed. Now here is another. Look at this. This is another crossing. This is what? Another crossing. Mind you, our crossing is from down upward. Look at this arrow. See the direction of the arrow from down upward. You don't understand? So it is more of there are conversion. Do you understand? This one is moving down, this one is moving up. Do you understand? So identify where the crossing occur in the side of what? MACD indicator. Now trace it up. This is where the crossing, this candlestick where the crossing occur, and that is the place I want you to do what? To establish your sell signal. establish your sell signal here. Do you understand? This is where the crossing occur. And I said that your stop loss should be at the what? Previous lower high. Now, from this scan, you see this is your previous lower high, and that is where you need to do what? Put your stop loss. That is where your stop loss should be what? Should be. Do you understand? And this is a huge amount of money in your pockets. Now, this particular strategy works best on 5 minutes time frame. Do not go and apply it on another time frame and expecting similar results. Do you understand? It works best on 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? Now, this is a huge profit for you. This is what a huge profit. Look at it. The profit is still counting. The profit is still what? Is still counting. Look at it from this point down here. You see, this particular strategy is a strategy that will make you massive gain without being afraid of sparks. Do you understand? Now, after this video, the next video I will reveal to you how to buy boom 500 and make massive profit. That particular strategy will be so great. Do you understand? That particular strategy will be what? So great. Do you understand? Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it so that others will benefit. Do you understand? That is what we do in OPTIMER. We share profitable strategies for traders, both the new traders, both the pro traders. Everybody make massive profit with our strategies. Do you understand? Now, let me show you the settings. I told you that only one indicator is used here, and this is MACD. The fast EMA is 100, slow EMA 26, MACD XMA is 2. Apply to close. Now, when you come to the main 3 pixel purple color, I choose purple color. The signal 2 pixel red color. You don't understand? So that is all the indicator you need to make it massive. Trading boom 500 index on 5 minutes time frame. Watch out for the next video on boom 500, and that video will be focusing on buying, and that particular strategy will be massive. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it so that others will benefit. Thank you.